Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today, from the syllabus of BA, the topic is snake. That is the second last poem of your book, Snake, Samp, written by D.H. Lawrence. D.H. Lawrence. First of all, D.H. Lawrence. D.H. Lawrence was born in England. He is an English poet. He was also novelist and short story writer. इसकी तमाम राइटिंग्स के ज़्यादातर जो टॉपिक्स होते हैं वो मेल फीमेल सेक्सुअल साइकी को डिस्क्राइब करते हैं. मेल फीमेल की जो सेक्सुअल साइकी है, साइकोलॉजी, नफ्सियात है, उसके ऊपर इसके राइटिंग्स हैं, पीसेस हैं. बहुत मशहूर इसकी नावल्स, उनमें एक लेडी चिल्ड्रेज लवर, लेडी चिल्ड्रेज लवर, चिल्ड्रेज लवर, and another was Rainbow. ये दो नावल हैं और ये दोनों नावल एक लंबे अरसे तक इवन इन इंग्लैंड और अमेरिका में बैन रहे हैं. आई हैव रेड बोथ दीज नावल्स. शायद वो इसके कंसेप्ट्स को, इसके आइडियाज़ को उठा ही नहीं सके और तकरीबन 50 ईयर्स तक उन्होंने नावल बैन रखी है. नावल में ऐसी क्या चीज़ है कि लोग इसको एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर रहे, इतना बड़ा राइटर होने के बावजूद. मैं उसमें से एक बात कहूँगा. लेडी चिल्ड्रेज लवर के अंदर D.H. लॉरेंस कहता है, मर्द एक बड़े बड़े कुत्तों की तरह है जो चाहता है कि औरतें उनको चमकारें और उन पर हाथ फेरें. नहीं, मे बी. सो दैट इज टॉपिक स्नेक. ये D.H. लॉरेंस का आपको इंट्रोडक्शन दे दिया. आपके सिलेबस के अंदर D.H. लॉरेंस की एक शॉर्ट स्टोरी भी है. कौन सी? शैडो इन द रोज गार्डन. इसकी एक ऐसे भी है, मॉडर्न ऐसे इसके अंदर, विस्लिंग ऑफ द बर्ड्स. ओके, नाउ स्नेक. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई एम मेकिंग रीडिंग. यू विल कैच द प्रोनाउंसिएशन. अल्फाज की अदायगी को आप जहन में रखेंगे. ओके, टुडे वी विल ओनली रीड द ट्रांसलेशन. And maybe if there will be time, then we will also read its reference, context and explanation from acute English verses written by me, M.K. Bhutta. Let's see. First of all, pronunciation. A snake came to my water-trough on a hot day, and I in pyjamas for the heat to drink there in the deep, strange, scented shade of the great dark carob tree. I came down the steps with my pitcher and must stand and wait, for there he was at the trough before me. He reached down from the fissure in the earth wall in the gloom, and trailed his yellow-brown slackness, soft-bellied, down over the edge of the stone trough, and rested his throat upon the stone bottom, and where the water had dripped from the tap in a small clearness, he sipped with his strange mouth softly drank through his straight gums into his slack long body silently. Someone was before me at my water trough, and I, like a second comer waiting, he lifted his head from drinking as cattle do and looked at me vaguely, as drinking cattle do, and flickered his two forked tongue from his lips and mused a moment, and stooped and drank a little more, being earth golden from the burning bowels of the earth. On this day of Sicilian July, with Athena smoking, the voice of my education said to me, he must be killed. For in Sicily the black snakes are innocent, the gold are venomous. And voices in me said, if you were a man, you would take a stick and break him now and finish him off. But most I confess how I liked him, how glad I was he had come like a guest in quiet to drink at my water trough and depart peaceful, pacified, and thankless into the burning bowels of this earth? Was it cowardice that I dared not kill him? Was it perversity that I longed to talk to him? Was it humility to feel so honored? I felt so honored. And yet those voices, if you were not afraid, you would kill him. And truly I was afraid. I was most afraid. But even so, honored still more, that he should seek my hospitality from out the dark door of the secret